Over here.
Where?
Hello.
Incredible.
Well, now you've done it, Lumiere. Splendid. Just peachy. Ah!
How is this accomplished?
Put me down at once. Stop that. Stop that, I say. Ow! Sir, close that at once. Do you mind?
I beg your pardon. It's just that I've never seen a duck.
Oh, you are soaked to the bone, monsieur. Come, warm yourself by the fire.